The Pimax Crystal includes two face cover pads. The Comfort Mask is larger yet thinner, and provides a higher level of comfort during extended usage and enhances the field of view. The Light Mask is smaller in height and has a better heat dissipation performance. Replacing the masks is easy with these tips. When removing the mask, gently lift one corner of the Velcro and slowly peel the face mask off. When installing a new face pad, make sure that the lower edge of the mask aligns with the eye shield, allowing for an unobstructed view through the lenses. This is crucial to avoid any blockage or interference.